I get tons of questions about this pastry cloth set and rolling pin cover. This is actually my grandmother's. It is antique and well loved and holy, but you can buy new sets on Amazon. I sprinkle it lightly with flour and use my hand to put it into the cloth, and then I just dump out all of the sugar cookie dough onto the mat. And this is one of the reasons why I love these pastry cloths. It makes it so much easier to do the kneading step like this. I draw in the cloth and I just knead it a few times until it sticks together really nice, and it makes such a beautiful sugar cookie dough. Always be careful not to overmix a dough, and if you used like warmer eggs, or if your butter was softer, it might stick together more and be sticky. You don't want it super sticky, but if it is sticky, you add more flour, sprinkle more flour on, but it should stick together like so. And so it's not sticky, but it's sticking together. Now I roll out the dough 1/2 at a time, and again I lightly sprinkle my pastry cloth. I have never made these sugar cookies without my trusty pastry cloth set. It works so good. So the rolling pin cover also makes the dough not stick to the rolling pin, and I gently roll it out. Here's a little rolling tip. As you roll partway, put a little flour on the top, rub it in, and then flip your dough over. You might want to put a little more flour on the bottom too, just a little. Rub it in, and then continue rolling on the other side with a little bit. You don't want your dough to start sticking to the cloth or whatever you're rolling it on. And just roll it out till it's the thickness you want.